Introducing the Joyful Notes online piano course for beginners level 1.
It's piano time!
Unlock the world of music for your child from the comfort of your home with our online video course. Lolly the lorikeet and Piggy Piano will be the perfect companions in your child's musical journey as they tell Christian-themed stories. Give your student the gift of learning with this intuitive, color-coded approach designed specifically to make learning to play the piano enjoyable and accessible for all kids. With our animated story lessons, videos, and practice motivation, your kids will be playing some of their favorite tunes in no time. Join Lady Joy as she teaches your child how to play each song and also shows what the song teaches about God. Enroll now at joyfulnotespiano.thinkific.com. Teach your kids how to make beautiful music with Joyful Notes Piano Course for Beginners. Share the joy of music with your family today.